In today's video, I'm going to teach you Coinbase, how to make payment on Coinbase. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to send a crypto payment using the Coinbase wallet app and a QR code. If you're paying a friend, a service, or a merchant, these steps will keep things smooth and secure. Before you start, make sure your app is up to date, you have a stable internet connection, and there's enough crypto in your wallet to cover both the payment and any network fees. First, open your Coinbase wallet app on your device. Take a second to confirm you're using the official app and that you're signed into the correct profile. If you've recently switched phones or reinstalled the app, ensure your wallet is properly restored and synced before proceeding. Little checks like these prevent sending from the wrong account or network. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in method and keep security front and center. Approve any two-factor authentication prompts and avoid typing sensitive details on public Wi-Fi. Never share your recovery phrase or any one-time codes with anyone. The app will never ask you to disclose those in a message or a call. Once you're in, you'll see your balances and recent activity, which is a good moment to verify you have the asset you intend to send. Now click on Transfer. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Transfer or Send, and it typically sits along the bottom of the screen or within your wallet view. Tapping it opens the send flow, where the app displays your available assets, balances, and a clean path to move funds. This area also shows estimated fees and lets you see which asset you're working with, so you're confident you're paying in the right currency. Then click on the QR code icon and start scanning the code to make a payment. The QR icon is usually next to the recipient field. Grant camera permissions if prompted. Hold your phone steady and center the code within the frame. In good lighting, the scan should be instant. The app will extract the recipient details from the QR code and, in some cases, pre-fill information like the asset, network, or amount. If any fields appear on screen, review them carefully, make sure the asset and network match what the recipient expects, and confirm that the address shown is correct. If additional notes or labels are displayed by the app, check them for accuracy. That's it. You open the Coinbase wallet app, logged in, clicked Transfer, and use the QR code scanner to make your payment. Take a final moment to review on-screen details before proceeding within the app, and you'll complete your payment confidently and securely.